Leadership programs often focus on skills. Mindset Lab explores something deeper.
Mindset Lab is a guided journey in how we reflect and take ownership of our personal development.
Here, students engage in topics, workshops, role plays, structured reflections, and coaching conversations.
Our goal is to help leaders become more intentional in how they lead.
Are you ready to explore your mindset and become the leader you aspire to be?
Mindset Lab at ASB was created because we recognized that whilst we already had a fantastic MBA program for our students, there wasn't yet a natural home for their personal growth and development.
No matter how successful we are, there are always things falling outside of our comfort zones.
The types of leadership challenges that professionals struggle with today are the ability to show up authentically and fully present in all aspects of their life.
Leadership cannot just be learned through lectures or frameworks. It has to be combined with experiences and reflection.
Mindset Lab was really inspiring for me. I could see firsthand myself and my fellow students changing over the course of the year.
I've become more intentional about asking, what perspective might we be missing? And that small shift often opens up to more fruitful conversations and more creative solutions.
I just enter and step into the world with more assurance of myself, and I'm more confident with the decisions that I make.
Everyone had to come up with their own Mindset Lab project. So what I worked on was a communication analyst tool where it would provide students with detailed feedback about how they come across in professional settings in terms of their communication.
I try my best to be as authentic as I am, and that's never changed. I think that's always been my value, who I am, what I always want to always anchor myself on. But through the Mindset Lab, all this experience, all the frameworks and the tools, I just remember that those self-trust is important, and I do just have to anchor more towards that. And this has helped me a lot in remembering that I know the leader that I wanted to be is already in me.
We used to continually think about the cost it would take to do the menial tasks or the administrative tasks. So now we need to change our mindset to, with the tools available to us now, what is going to provide the most value to the company or the team or the group that I'm leading.
The biggest risk for leaders is believing you have already figured things out. The world evolves too quickly for that mindset. Continuous self-reflection expands your perspectives and keep you adaptable as a leader.
Mindset Lab is designed to run throughout the entire MBA or EMBA journey. It's intertwined, interconnected with all the other components happening at ASB when you are part of this MBA, EMBA journey with us. We'll also run workshop sessions whereby there's a lot of experimentation approaches that you can try out by engaging in role play activities so that you experiment a different version of yourself, a different way to lead, a different way to communicate.
In terms of the transformation that we hope our students experience, we hope that the program meets each student exactly where they are in their personal growth journey. But what we hope is for each student to understand where they themselves are in the journey and then understand what it takes for them to get to the next level.